You might be wondering, how will you combine onions with papaya for hair growth? Please wait first. Once I'm done with this video, you can ask that question again. If you want to see inches of hair in few weeks, please, this video is for you. And if you are struggling to get your bald patches grown back, or if you are struggling with alopecia, please stay here. Here is few of my clip when I was struggling to grow out my hairlines and also retain length. Today's video is all about onions and papaya leaves. First of all, I cut my onions in small size with the papaya leaves. I got my mortar, I washed the papaya and onions and add it into my mortar. Because this recipe you are not going to add too much water, so don't blend it, neither you should pour it in water to squeeze it in your hand. Pound it to extract original juice from onions and papaya leaves by itself, because they contain water content that is naturally produced by these ingredients. Onions are high in sulfur content, which is a vital component for amino acid that make up protein-rich keratin, which strengthen hair and prevent breakage. It also treats alopecia. If you are struggling with alopecia, please stick with this video till the end. Do not miss a single second of this video to get the right instructions. If you are using this recipe for alopecia treatment, studies suggest that applying onion juice can help with alopecia areata, those areas that are being damaged whether by protective style, heat damage, chemicals, or this is what you should do. So keep watching. With one study showing 87% of patients experience regrowth after 6 weeks. So can you hear? You are going to grow out your hair in weeks, even though it's not 1 week, but it is in weeks. There are antioxidant effects inside onion as well. Do well to use onions because it will protect your hair from radical damage, protective style, or heat damage. Onions is always in our kitchen. We use it to cook and do some dishes. You're not going to spend money buying products. Only just get your onions with papaya leaves, add it together, and voila, they are good to go. Onion is really good when it comes to boosting collagen production because of the sulfur helps stimulate the production of collagen, in turn support the growth of healthy skin cells and hair. If you really want to grow your hair, onion should be the first ingredient you go for. If you have been following me lately, you will notice I just found out that papaya is a miracle worker with hair growth. Papaya are traditionally used to potentially promote hair growth, strengthen hair follicles, and reduce dandruff due to the high content of vitamins, minerals, and enzymes. If you combine these both ingredients together, I'm promising you that within a short period of time, you will see changes. And while doing this challenge or trying to grow out your hair, make sure you take some pictures, stretch your hair with a measuring tape, or just stretch it down and take pictures so that when you finish with this challenge, you'll be able to compare your hair to see if this girl is saying it's actually true or not. So thank you so much for watching. Please do well to like, subscribe, because more is going to come your way. When it comes to natural hair, please trust me on that because it's something I love and enjoy doing. So therefore, I'm going to bring out real and original content. Thank you so much and have a lovely day ahead of you. Some kisses coming your way. Take it. Bye.